My name is Trent. This is Caitlin and I's 1977 white Western Star. We acquired it, I guess it was last April, at the Mid-American Trucking Show from the original owner. That's who actually sculpted the head and done the paint work and front to back. Him and his son Cole Lawrence took him 14 weeks to build it front to back. It's got a 350 Detroit AV71 with turbo. Yeah, the trailer is also a 1977, and it is a replica of the truck from the movie Maximum Overdrive. It's got a 15-speed transmission, 355 rears. All in all, it's a pretty good old truck. We've had the truck. We did recondition the face a little bit, repainted it. Neighbor of mine did that in about 3 days. Yeah, besides fixing lights and reconditioning that face a little bit, and cleaned it up, and here we have it. Yeah, so I do take the truck a variety of places. We've been to Illinois, like I said, the Mid-American Trucking Show out in Louisville, Kentucky. We've been to New Jersey with the truck, Virginia. I'd like to get back down to North Carolina, where the movie was made. I think that would be really cool.